Hi, I'm Jo and I'm your online workstation assessor. The other day I got asked by somebody as to why do I perch on my chair. Now this is only going to affect some of you and it's going to be the shorter amongst you. When a shorter person sits on a chair that's too big for them, the chair digs into the back of their knees and so it's not comfortable. So what happens is they end up sitting on the edge of the chair, then they've got no back support, so they get tired and they slump. So what you need to do is shorten the chair. If the chair's got a seat depth adjuster on it, you can move it back so you can get good support. If it hasn't, use a couple of cushions behind you so that you're getting back support but the chair isn't banging into the back of your knees. So these are just a couple of quick tips if you find yourself perching on a chair. If you found this video useful, or if you've got any other shorter friends that might find the video useful, then please if you could like the video and share it, that would be really helpful.